Is anybody here under 18? Okay, because this next song's got a couple of naughty words. My good friend Chris Stapleton helped me write this song. And he was going to write it by himself, but I think he was too embarrassed. But I'm not. Okay, I'm going to get into the song in 1 second here, but this song, there's something that, when Chris told me the title, I thought, you know what? Everybody is, at least once or twice in a day, use this phrase. Usually for me is when I'm looking at the effing television, or sometimes somebody cuts me off in traffic. It goes like this. Well, look at that clown, dressed up like Charles Dickens, sneaking around like Slim Pickens. If he was a woman, he'd think he was God's gift to man. Ought to stick his head in a garbage can. Yeah, fuck that guy. Fuck that guy. It ought to be a crime. He ain't no friend of mine. Fuck that guy. Well, look at that heartless fool lurking around the high school. Somebody ought to call the cops. He ought to be arrested. Ain't nobody around here gonna get molested. Oh, fuck that guy. Yeah, fuck that guy. Well, it ought to be a crime. He ain't no friend of mine. Fuck that guy. Fuck that guy, eh? Fuck that guy some more. Tell some of you people can relate. Does that light mean I'm on film? Am I going to be on Instagram tomorrow? I always wanted to be on Instagram. I just hope I don't get banned because of this song. Hey! Okay, just checking this thing. Look at that jerk-off jerk. He's a real piece of work. Rolling and smoking cheap tobacco. He ain't nothing but a loudmouth wacko. Oh, fuck that guy. Yeah, fuck that guy. Well, it ought to be a crime. He ain't no friend of mine. Fuck that guy. Be a crime. He ain't no friend of mine. Fuck that guy. Do it again. It ought to be a crime. He ain't no friend of mine. Fuck that guy. Yeah, get it out of your system. It ought to be a crime. He ain't no friend of mine. Fuck that guy. How you feeling? It ought to be a crime. He ain't no friend of mine. Insert the asshole of your choice. Yeah. hear these people. It ought to be a crime. He ain't no friend of mine. Fuck that guy! They're pissed off. I get pissed off sometimes too. Fuck that guy! Okay, just the ladies. This is what they sound like. It ought to be a crime. He ain't no friend of mine. Fuck that guy! Oh boy, they're pissed. It ought to be a crime. He ain't no friend of mine. Fuck that guy! All right, the guys. It ought to be a crime. He ain't no friend of mine. Fuck that guy! Everybody. It ought to be a crime.